Jagannath University teachers and students vow to continue sit-in program at Capital's Kakral to press for their 3-point demand. Earlier, the university teachers and students spent last night on the street in front of Kakral Mosque, continuing a sit-in protest demanding urgent government action. Around 10 p.m., Information Advisor Mahfuz Alam arrived at the protest site in Dhaka's Kakral and engaged in discussions with the demonstrators. However, as of 10 a.m. today, demonstrators remain at the site, refusing to leave until their demands are fulfilled. Their demands included the introduction of housing scholarship for 70% of students, full approval of the university's proposed budget without cuts, and formal executive committee of the National Economic Council approval and priority implementation of the university's proposed second campus project.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।